Hi guys, we will show you how to replace the engine air filter in Volvo V60. We have 6 screws that hold in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll need to use Torx 25 bit to unscrew them. You guys might want to consider to get an extension for your wrench, but the small one works as well. Now you will be able to lift the cover and remove the engine air filter. I'll show you guys how it looks again. This is the back side, and look at this. This is something that we don't want to see. And this is why it is important to check and replace them on time. I will also show you guys the part number for the filter, and if you need one, I will leave you the link for these ones in the description as well. Install the new one, make sure that it sits properly in place, and now we can install our cover, make sure that all screws are in place.